Let's see what is multithreading and how to implement that, and what are the life cycles in threads. Thread is a lightweight process. So, in Java, a program to execute the multiple threads simultaneously, and so it's allowing perform multiple tasks simultaneously. For example, if you are in a browser like Chrome, Internet Explorer, you can create a multiple tabs and perform your task, right? So, in that way, we can work multiple tasks in a single program. Let's see how to create a thread in program. First thing, you can use thread class to implement the thread concept. Create a thread. In coding, I have created one class and I have extending thread in my class, and inside that I'm just creating one method public void run off, and I can insert what are the code I need. I can insert in here, and I'm going to create one more main class, and I can call this thread. How it will work means I can able to create an object for this my thread class, and then I can call the start method. Then it will start execution. The second way to create a thread is you can use the runnable interface. Okay, so you just create one class and implement, use that keyword, and give the name runnable. Okay, so now you can able to create an object for this your class, and invoke and you can call the start method, and also you can override the run method inside your class. Okay, let's see the difference between this runnable interface and thread class. If you are using a thread class to create a thread means you can't able to extend other classes, because Java does not allow the extend multiple classes, so you can't use more than one extend, right? So for multiple ingredients, so it's better you can use implements runnable, you can use interface. Okay, and also if you're using thread class, yeah, you can able to access future yield of some other inbuilt functions. One thing I need to say, actually, this every process in the multiple threads are running, right? It's using the same memory which is using that program. Okay, one memory is sharing by all the threads. Let's see the life cycle of threads. Okay, there is different states of threads, like new, runnable, blocked, waiting, timed waiting, and terminator. New thread means actually when you are creating a one thread, like in programming wise, you are creating an object for a thread means that is the state for new. Before start invoking the thread, you are in new state. That programming that thread in new state. The second one is runnable state. This is that thread having a thread scheduler, because multiple threads are there. So how much time each and every thread need to be executed, that is handled by the thread scheduler. So thread scheduler hold the one thread before start executing. So that state is runnable state. And blocked state, that thread will be in blocked state when it's trying to acquire a lock, but currently the lock is acquired by the other thread. The thread will move from the blocked state to runnable state when it acquires the lock. Another one is waiting state. Actually, if we use in a program, we use wait of or join of method, the thread will go to the waiting state until we will notify that it, if we are not notified that it will terminate it. So other thread need to notify this, otherwise it will terminated. Time waiting means for particular so as I told you before, scheduler give the particular time for you the each and every thread execution. So if one thread is need to be in a waiting state, so that is also we can able to give the time for particular time the thread in waiting state. After that uh, it can able to run, so we can use the sleep methods. And another one is terminated state. Terminated state means if that thread, that program completely executed, it will goes to the terminated state. Otherwise it had some unusual errors like a segmentation fault or unhandled exception, that thread will be terminated. Thanks for watching. If you are a new user, don't forget to subscribe this channel.